USDCAD, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay. Now the question is it possible we consider this one as together as a running flat in relative to this? This is a correction, and this one, the one is moving down. That means we should expect the price from here can drop and move to this level. Okay, in that case, what we have here is a correction in relative to this. That means we expecting we have a correction here, the price can drop to this level. This is what we have based on daily chart. Alright, in this case we move to forward chart. Okay, now the things is based on the forward chart. Just now when we were talking about the based on daily, now things is whether we can put this one as a correction and this is a correction, and we expect the price continue to come to this level. Okay, in that case, now when the market open, we see how this one can continue, whether there is a continuation or we get the small flag. That means we get the small flag or correction, we can look for the one move down. Alright, but before that, how about, since we have here sharp move, how about if we get the correction, then maybe the down move is not there. In this case, we do the analysis based on this. When the market open, since we have this one, if the price from here can reverse, come to this top, drop, we get this correction, flat, then we need to look for buy. Down move is not valid anymore. But if the market open and this one is a continuation, we just leave it. But okay, because if the price continue and drop, then we just leave it. We don't need to look. There is no possibility to look for buy, and even the sell we don't, because we don't get the trade set up. But if here we get the small correction, that means the price here we get the small correction, then we can look for sell. Because just now we talk about putting these two as together. Then if this one is a down move, the one is going to come to this level, we need to get the small correction here. Okay, again, if we get a small correction here, we look for down move. If the price reverse come to this level, then we get the flat, we need to look for buy. Okay, in this case we move to 1 hour chart. What do we have here right now? What we can see is giving us a correction. That means if when the market open is still we have this correction, then down move is what we are looking for. We can look for sell, similar to what we have here. But if the price reverse come to this level, we get the flat, then we need to look for buy. It depends on what type of the flat we get. In this case, we just follow the chart, and when the market open, we see whether we get this correction. What we have, we will have the correction for one move down, or the price reverse come to the top, we get the flat, then we should look for buy. Anyway, if I see any update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.